Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I would like to present a summary of 10 research studies related to need analysis in English for specific purposes or ESP. These studies aim to identify learners' English need in various professional contexts, such as hotel management, physical education, nursing, marketing, and engineering. Okay, let me start with the first study by Fajar Riantika. This qualitative study investigated the English need of hotel staff in Bandar Lampung. The findings show that speaking and listening were the most essential skills, especially for greeting guests, offering menus, and handling complaints. Number two, wait, okay. The second research by Budi Eko Pranoto and Suprayogi 2020 focus on physical education students. It was a mixed method study using questionnaire and interviews. The results show that students need English for sport journalism and uh, professional communication. And lecturers emphasize speaking and writing skills. And the third one by Medanit Blakwe analyzed the textile industries in Ethiopia. The study revealed that speaking, reading, and writing are necessary for textile engineering to perform their work properly, suggesting that ESP course should be designed to meet these professional demands. Next, Alfian Azhariamin also conducted a need analysis amongst hotel staff in Bandung. It was a quantitative study showing that speaking is again the most needed skill, especially for giving information about hotel facilities and handling customer complaints. The fifth, research by Lamia Emekta, study master students in nutrition and food technologies. The study found that the main problems were technical vocabulary, writing, and text comprehension, and both students or teachers supported the improvement of the ESP course. The sixth study by Chen Ling Li analyzed students' perceived need in a university of technology using a large-scale questionnaire with SPSS analysis. The results showed that most students found ESP course very useful, and the most important skill was writing. Then, Yuriatsun Jubhari focused on nursing students. The result indicated that all 16 materials topics were highly relevant, meaning that need analysis plays a crucial role in developing suitable ESP materials. Next, the eighth research by Yuyut Triguntoro studied hotel front desk staff and manager. Using interviews and observations, the study found that speaking and listening were the most required skills, particularly for check-in and check-out communication. The ninth study by Muhammad Ali Akbari and Mahnaz Bokhari explored the Aryan contact with architecture students and graduates. The results showed that reading comprehension was the most important skill, but the participants were receptive with textbooks and course material. Okay, the last, LD Dian Hidayat conducted a quantitative study with marketing students in Indonesia. The study revealed that students prioritize materials related to project management and marketing strategies, with reading being the most crucial skill. Okay, to conclude, across the 10 studies, the most research agreed that speaking and listening are highly needed in hospitality fields, while reading and writing are essential for academic or technical contexts. This shows how ESP course must be tailored to the learner's target situation and professional needs. Through proper need analysis, teacher can design relevant materials that truly prepare students for their future careers. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.